Hi guys, today we'll be making homemade KFC chicken. So right now I'm going to be marinating the chicken by using the first ingredients. So I'm going to put half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Now we have to grind it to fine powder. Now we're going to prepare the buttermilk. Make sure when you're pouring in the milk, make sure it goes till here. It must almost reach the top. Now we are going to pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir it and leave it for 2 minutes. Now wash your chicken and put it in an airtight bowl. Now I will pour in the buttermilk. Now add 1½ of the ground spice. Now you're going to mix it with our hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you start this. Now place it nicely. Now put the lid on top. Put this in the fridge for overnight. This is the chicken which we marinated last night. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to set this aside and get the flour ready. Take 1¼ cups of flour in a bowl. Actually, we'll make it 1½. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 whole tablespoon of the ground spices, and I'm going to mix this well. Now I'm going to keep this aside and get the egg and milk mixture ready. So we're going to crack 2 eggs. And we're going to pour milk. Now we're going to mix this lightly. Now it's time to coat the chicken. So now I'm going to put in the wet mixture, then my mom's going to take it into the dry mixture.
So you coat this first, and then you put it in the dry mixture. Put some flour over it. Just turn it around. It goes back in here. Okay. And then it goes back into the flour. Now we dust it and we leave it on the plate.
We have to do this to all the chickens. Make sure you heat up your oil before you start this. Now ask an adult to help you. It's going to cook this till it's done. After cooked, put on a paper towel. Look how succulent it is. I'm still waiting for it to cool down, but I'll have it when I'm going to have my food. So ladies and gentlemen, this crispy chicken is now ready. So I'm going to have it for my lunch. I'm going to try it. Yum! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.